Most Amazon reviews are filtered. This is the real breakdown of whether this product is actually worth it. You've seen those perfectly smooth, cinematic shots on YouTube and Instagram, right? Well, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo claims to put that power in your pocket, but does it deliver for everyday creators, or is it just another expensive gadget? Let's find out. This is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo, a tiny, gimbal-stabilized 4K camera designed for content creators who need high-quality footage on the go. DJI is known for its drones, and they've packed that same stabilization tech into this incredibly portable camera. It's made for vlogging, travel, and capturing life's moments with professional flair, especially if you want to avoid the bulk of a larger camera setup. The headline feature is its 1-inch CMOS sensor. This is significantly larger than what you find in most action cams or phone cameras, meaning much better low-light performance and richer image quality. You'll get more detail and less noise, especially when shooting indoors or at dusk. Then there's the 4K at 120 frames per second capability. This isn't just for high resolution, it unlocks super smooth slow-motion effects that can make your content look incredibly cinematic and professional, adding a real wow factor. The 3-axis stabilization is DJI's signature tech. It actively counteracts shakes and jitters, giving you that buttery smooth footage even when you're walking, running, or in a moving vehicle, eliminating the need for bulky gimbals. The face and object tracking is a game-changer for solo creators. It intelligently keeps your face or a chosen subject in focus and framed, so you don't have to worry about constantly readjusting the camera. Plus, the included microphone in the Creator Combo is a huge upgrade over the built-in mic, capturing much clearer, richer audio for your vlogs and interviews. This combo really makes it a complete package right out of the box. This camera is perfect for solo vloggers who need to film themselves without a second operator. It's ideal for travelers who want to capture their adventures in high quality without carrying heavy gear. And it's a fantastic option for social media content creators looking to elevate their video quality and production value on platforms like YouTube and TikTok. The biggest downside? While the sensor is great, the built-in touchscreen can be a bit fiddly to operate with gloves or in bright sunlight, and the menu system takes a little getting used to. The link in the description is an affiliate link, use it to purchase and support the channel. Thank you for watching. Like, share and comment which Amazon product you want next to be reviewed.